Good afternoon, this is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I'm going to walk you through a 2023 252S Yamaha. We'll start up front. You'll see your two sets of couches. You got a nice big anchor locker with a ladder up front. Moving aft, you'll see here you have storage underneath the floor, storage underneath the dash. Really nice little cutting area for a porta potty or more storage. At the helm, you're going to have a tilt steering wheel, large 12-inch Connect screen, easy to operate push buttons, media center, throttles, and on your chair you're going to have a fold-up bolster on both. Two captain's chairs in this boat. Moving aft, you're going to have stadium-style seating. These backrests move fore and aft. A little table area right here, storage underneath that as well. Really nice large bimini top connected to your tower. You have a walk-through area here with a removable cushion. You also have a very large swim deck out back. Swim right up to it. I'm going to show you these seats. So pull this lever, slide them forward and backwards, forward and back seating. And if you want to stop by and see us at MarineMax Lake Norman, please do. Thank you.